What's going on, guys? I'm back here. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the user interface of Maya, how to navigate in the viewport, how to create 3D polygonal primitives, and finally, we're going to learn how to select and manipulate the objects and move them around. So let's get begin. So at the first time you open the Autodesk Maya, the user interface is going to be like this. If it's not, you can go on the top right corner of the software. There is workspace here. You can click on this drop down menu. You can click on reset current workspace, and all the UI elements of the workspace gonna reset to default. So as you can see here, there are many different messy buttons and tools and icons here. You have no idea what is important, what is not, is that right? Luckily, Maya is divided into many component parts that you'll find it is easy to familiar with and comfortable to use it. Like any other software that you learn or you use before, there do have some of these, general menu bars like files, allows you to create scenes, manage your projects, edit, create. So allows you to create primitives, type, locator, etc. that you learn later. There are select, modify or display, controls, how you display or hide your objects. So you do have Windows, gives you a whole bunch of different types of editor like UV editor, like rendering editors, etc. So all the other tools behind the Windows is going to be changed depending on what type of menu set you are currently select. I'm on modeling workflow, so all these menu bar is related to modeling stage. So as you can see, if I change it into rigging, and menu bar here is going to be changed into rigging workflow. So next to the menu set, you have status line. Some of these icons mimic, tools in files menu here, like new file. You have new file or open or save files, undo and redo. So you also have, types of selections like hierarchy selection, like objects or component selection. So you also have snapping options like snap on grid, snap on curves, or snap on vertices. So you have some of these icons here relate to rendering stage, which render your scene. So you do have some of these icons will change your right hand menus here. For example, I'm gonna click on this icon, it's gonna be open modeling toolkit. I'm gonna click on this, it's gonna open channel box and layers editor. So below the status line, you do have some of these cell tabs, allows you to access to tools in menus quickly by just click on some of these icons. So you can create your own cell by click on this icon and create a new cell. It's gonna create an empty cell for you. So to create some of these icons, you can find what tools you want to create, and all you have to do is just hold down Ctrl Shift and click on the tools. So on the left side of the software, you have some selection tools and manipulation tools. Below that, you have some preset layout. So when I click on this, it's gonna change your layout into 4 panel layout. When I click on this, it's gonna open outliner with a big panel layout. So at the bottom of the software, you do have some of these UI elements that relate to animation workflow, like time slider, range slider, and command line. So I'm in modeling stage, so I feel like I don't need it. So I can go to Windows UI elements and hide all of these elements. At the center of the screen, you have viewports where you can create your entire scenes, and you're gonna pay a lot of time to work with it. So above the viewport here, you're gonna have a view panel. It contains a lot of icons that control how you display everything inside of the viewport.